Picture yourself in the 2019 Volvo V90 CC. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this tasteful Volvo V90 Cross Country, the automobile that leverages industry-leading safety technology and modern Scandinavian design to merge excellence with elegance. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors, fog lamps. Make the drive in confident comfort when you're in this premium quality V90 Cross Country. Come in for a road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.